And that's how you say hello in gibberish. All right, now here's something Mom will really get a kick out of. I'll teach you how to say, I love you. Ready? Uh-huh. Okay, now go tell her. Oh, Bria, I didn't expect you to be here right at this time. Mom, guess what? What is it?
Please excuse me for a second, Bria.
Stop, Ma. What is wrong with you? It wasn't me, I swear. What do you mean it wasn't you? We're the only two people that know that language. Sounds like that also makes you a prime suspect.
Oh, I am so gonna...
Hey, take a picture, kid of the last lot. It's okay, Ratchet. Two. Unbelievable.